Good day, everyone. Guess where we are? We just made it to Hecla Island. It is now day 2 of Hecla Island. We are on a hiking trail on our way to see a water tower. Why do I keep calling it a water tower?
Because it is.
On our way to see a lighthouse that's way out in the water. Go check out the view. And it's cloudy and it rained all night, so everything's all mucky. But that also means that it's not so hot out here. So, yeah. Who wants to say good morning?
Good morning.
We're out here along the shoreline now. Just walking to the lighthouse. There's a trail that leads to the lighthouse, but we voted and I got outvoted that we gotta walk along the water. It's gorgeous here though. Look at all that water. That's Black Island, I think? Or what is it called? I don't know. No one's listening. You probably can't hear me because of the wind, but we just visited the water tower. That was a beautiful thing. Now back to the vehicle. Me and Brooke are now going down to Sunset Beach. And it's a little hike to get there, so that's what we're doing now. Mom and the boys are napping back at the cabin.
And Chica.
And Chica.
Look, seagull.
As you can see, there's nobody here because it's a cloudy, rainy day. It's like raining on and off. We're just exploring because Mom wanted the boys to sleep and we were being too noisy in the cabin, so this is what we're doing.
What are all of these?
Also, this whole vlog is being taped on my new phone, the Huawei P20. I want to check it out, see how it is. Okay, we're back at the cabin here. This is our cabin. Woo, woo, woo. And we caught a bunch of frogs. Right, guys?
They have 2 homes. 2 homes. They use this mop bucket. One is in, like, there's a bunch of gas in it, and then they can dig holes and hide. And then the second one is where their little pond. And this is their grass hiding spot.
This is what Mom did. She dragged this log out of the bush. And she took my axe and she attempted to be a beaver.
I did quite good, look. I got all that and all that.
We're going to find some gas for the Land Rover now. Alright, we're gonna do this 1 kilometer trail. Well, it's 1 kilometer one way and 1 kilometer back. And it's a viewing tower to best spot moose and deer at dawn or dusk.
And one more thing. And you can, and Daddy said that you can spot wolves.
We made it. We're supposed to see moose or deer here. I see trees. Well, there's a viewfinder. So according to all the papers around here, this is the best place to spot moose on the island because it's prime moose habitat. There's a viewfinder here. It works pretty good. And that's like a marshy, grassy area out there. I don't know what's with these tall trees right here though. Can't see through them. And we're definitely not going to spot anything with our boys constantly screaming at the top of their lungs. It's going to scare everything away. I plan on coming back here tomorrow morning when the sun is coming up though. And anyone that comes with me is going to be very quiet. Okay, so we didn't go back to the tower this morning because during the night I got sick. I got the flu. I had to run to the bathroom a few times and I just felt awful all night. I slept almost nothing. I got a few good hours in the morning after everyone else was awake, and now I got a shower in, so feeling a lot better. My dad and his wife are coming down today. Let's see how today goes. It looks like it's gonna be a nice day out there. Dad's picking choke cherries with the kiddos.
No, you pick them.
I made you black licorice, Daddy.
Hey, oh, what are you doing?
Picking choke cherries.
And what are you gonna do with them?
We're gonna make choke cherry juice.
We came fishing on this little trout lake here. Woo. But we didn't catch anything. Oh, we caught a leech. That's it. We're gonna go to a different spot. Hey, so they decided to come fishing down by the dock here, and I saw this cliff edge here and I thought it was really cool. Look at this all the way along here. Water that way, big rock edge here. Trees up there. So cool. Check out my view. Tell me this isn't a cool view. That is a pretty cool view. It's neat climbing up or all over this place. I know this is kind of all over the place and super short little snippets everywhere. But that's because we're here for 5 days and I want to make one vlog out of the entire 5 days. So it's kind of wild. And I want to spend a lot of time with family, so I'm not thinking about how I'm doing the clips and stuff. I'm just kind of winging it as I'm doing stuff. We left early because it just wasn't a place for us. And we're on our way home now, and we stopped here by Stony Mountain because we thought we'd check out the prison.
That's how bored we were.
This is where I believe this is where the worst criminals in Manitoba go. So there it is. That's just wait, let me open Elisa's window here so you can get a better view. There's the Stony Mountain Institution. Penitentiary, institution, whatever. It's actually pretty beautiful. It's weird. Yeah, we decided to stop and take a look at the prison. Neato! Alright, we are home now from camping. We are unpacked. I'm showered. Mom needs to shower yet.
That's the last thing to do yet.
And the kids are watching a movie right behind us here.
In their PJs.
In their PJs, they're bathed and showered. That's it for this vlog. I know it's all over the place and kind of crazy, but like I said earlier, I just wanted to spend time with family and I wanted to make 5 days into one vlog, which it actually ended up being 3 days.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my channel. The link is down below, and we will see you guys next time. Bye!
Bye.